The afterlife, a cosmic mystery. We gaze into the night sky, filled with wonder and curiosity. Questions fill our minds. Where did we come from? What is our origin story? What happens after we die? Is there something beyond this life? Humanity has pondered these profound mysteries for millennia, seeking answers in the stars and within ourselves. It is a fundamental human longing to understand our place in the vast universe. We seek meaning in the cosmos. We yearn to know if consciousness continues after our physical bodies cease to exist. Is there an eternal soul? For centuries, religion and philosophy have offered various explanations about the afterlife, each with its own perspective. But what does science have to say about these age-old questions? Can it provide concrete answers? Could there be a scientific basis for the survival of consciousness beyond death? This question intrigues many. Emerging theories at the intersection of quantum mechanics, neuroscience, and philosophy offer intriguing possibilities. They challenge our understanding. These theories challenge our conventional understanding of both life and death, suggesting new paradigms. One such avenue of exploration lies in the strange and counterintuitive world of quantum mechanics, where the rules are different. This realm of science governs the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, revealing the mysteries of the universe. Could it hold the key to unlocking the secrets of consciousness? The possibilities are endless. Let's venture into the subatomic world to find out. Join us on this journey of discovery. Quantum mechanics is a fascinating branch of physics that describes the behavior of matter and energy at the atomic and subatomic levels. It delves into the very fabric of reality, exploring the smallest building blocks of the universe. This is where the universe gets very strange and counterintuitive. Particles can exist in multiple states at once. This phenomenon is known as superposition, a fundamental concept in quantum mechanics. Imagine a coin spinning in the air, not yet landed as heads or tails. That's superposition, where particles are in a state of uncertainty. Another bizarre phenomenon in the quantum world is entanglement. Two entangled particles, no matter how far apart they are, remain linked in a mysterious way. If you change the state of one particle, the other changes instantly, regardless of the distance between them. It's as if they communicate faster than the speed of light, defying our conventional understanding of physics. Spooky action at a distance, as Einstein famously called it, challenges our notions of space and time. These strange quantum effects have led some scientists to consider whether consciousness itself might operate on similar principles, opening new avenues of thought. Could our minds be more than just the product of our brains? Could they be influenced by quantum phenomena? Could they be intertwined with the fabric of the universe in ways we are only beginning to understand? The possibilities are as vast as the cosmos itself. Roger Penrose, a renowned physicist, and Stuart Hameroff, an anesthesiologist, proposed a compelling theory called orchestrated objective reduction, or OR. They suggest that consciousness arises from quantum processes occurring within tiny structures called microtubules. Microtubules exist inside our neurons, the cells of our brains. Imagine these microtubules as the universe's smallest orchestras. Quantum vibrations within these structures, orchestrated by the laws of the universe, give rise to our conscious experience. OR proposes that when we die, these quantum processes don't necessarily cease. Instead, they might leak out into the universe, carrying with them the essence of our consciousness. This theory is both elegant and controversial. It suggests that our minds are not merely products of our brains, but are fundamentally woven into the cosmos. OR aligns with an ancient philosophical view called panpsychism. Panpsychism proposes that consciousness is not unique to humans or even living beings. Instead, it is a fundamental property of the universe. Just like mass or energy, consciousness is always present, woven into the fabric of reality. Imagine a universe where even rocks and atoms possess a tiny spark of awareness. This is the essence of panpsychism. It's a radical idea, challenging our anthropocentric view of the universe. Yet, when considered alongside the strangeness of quantum mechanics, it takes on a new kind of plausibility. Section 5. The realm of speculation, evidence, and open questions. It's important to note that theories like OR and panpsychism remain highly speculative. We lack definitive scientific evidence to prove or disprove them. The study of consciousness is still in its infancy. Critics argue that these theories are more philosophical than scientific. They point to the lack of empirical data. They argue that we still don't fully understand how consciousness arises from the brain, let alone how it could exist independently. Section 6. The Brain's Symphony, the Neuroscience of Consciousness. Mainstream neuroscience offers a different perspective. Most neuroscientists believe that consciousness is a product of complex electrochemical processes in the brain. When we die, these processes cease, and so does our consciousness. Think of it like a symphony orchestra. The brain is the orchestra, and consciousness is the music it produces. When the musicians stop playing, the music ends. There's no music without the orchestra. This view is supported by decades of research. We know that damage to specific brain regions can profoundly alter consciousness. However, neuroscience has yet to fully explain how subjective experiences arise from objective brain activity. The mystery of consciousness persists. Section 7. Life, Death, and the Quantum Enigma. The question of what happens to consciousness after death remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries. Quantum theories like quark offer a glimmer of hope that our consciousness might not be extinguished, but rather transformed and continue in some form. If consciousness is indeed a fundamental aspect of the universe, then death might be less of an ending and more of a transition, a shift in consciousness from one state of being to another. It's a possibility that sparks our imagination and challenges us to rethink our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Section 8. A Universe of Wonder, Embracing the Unknown. As we continue to explore the universe within and the universe beyond, we find ourselves constantly on the brink of new discoveries. We must remain open to new possibilities, embracing the unknown with curiosity and courage. The nature of consciousness, like the nature of the universe itself, is likely far stranger and more wondrous than we can currently imagine. Each new discovery challenges our understanding and pushes the boundaries of what we know. Whether or not our consciousness survives death, the very act of contemplating this question expands our minds and deepens our appreciation for the preciousness of life. It encourages us to seek meaning and purpose in our everyday experiences. It reminds us to live each day to the fullest, to cherish our connections to others, and to never stop questioning and exploring the mysteries that surround us. Every moment becomes an opportunity to learn and grow. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonder and awe. Its endless expanse invites us to dream big and reach for the stars. Let's continue to explore it with open minds and a sense of boundless curiosity. Together we can uncover the secrets of the cosmos and our own existence.